Will this €100 worth of foam gun break? Watch this video and you will see. In this video I will show you the latest foam gun from MJJC, which is Pro V3. I will also compare it to SV3 and Pro V2, as well as I will show you is it worth buying this sort of foam gun for that kind of money compared to cheap ones. This foam gun is on the market for a while, about 2 years now. Initially MJJC, when they released it, there was a factory fault on the bottle. The bottle was cracking. If somebody thrown the bottle from some distance, the bottle was cracking. However, let's see what they've done now. So as you can see, there is no issue with that anymore. If you've seen those videos on YouTube or on internet that this bottle breaks, in Ireland the faulty batch never arrived. So any foam gun you buy in Ireland, it's the upgraded version. So first of all, let's see what we have in the box. As always, very well packed. So starting from the tank is 1.2 liter. You have scale to measure the liquid. You have nice grip for the tank. The tank is very stable, so it won't fall without reason. Then of course we have the head. The upgrade in the case of MJJC Pro V3 is made of stainless steel. We also get in 360 pipe, so that means the foam gun will work in any position. Additionally, in the case of the newest one, we are getting spare filters and we're getting 2 extra jets. And of course, each foam gun comes with the adapter that you choose when you're buying the foam gun. There is huge variety for different power washers. One of very cool features that MJJC added into this foam gun is that you can attach most of bottles from your detailing products. So you can use it like this as well. If you have different products in use, you can use the main tank for foam, but you can also use like rinse aids, etc. Just from the bottle that the product comes. Assembly of the foam cannon is of course very simple, same as in the other cases, in the other foam guns. So all you do is you fit in the pipe there, you put your attachment. There is no seals needed as everything is ready to go. Fill up with the foam and she's ready to go. When it comes to this foamer, same as the previous 2 versions, when you have any of them in your hand, you know you have high quality product in your hand. I use MJJC foam guns for last couple of years. Initially we had this one, then we were using SV3, now we have Pro V3. I've no doubts that they all perform really well, especially in the recommended dilution ratio, which is 1:10. But I'm gonna make a little bit harder for this one as it's a little bit more expensive than the 2 previous ones. So let me show you how it performs. So for first test, I'm gonna use dilution ratio 1:20, 50 milliliters of snow foam to 1 liter of water. As you can see, even with dilution 1:20, this foamer works very well. We have pretty thick snow foam. Let's do another quick test. I will dilute it even more and we will see whether it will create any sort of snow foam. So in this case, the foam is not as impressive as previously. However, I poured out some of the product, I topped it up with water, so there is maximum of 15-20 milliliters of actual snow foam in this foam cannon. So the foam is kind of watery, but it still looks like foam. And of course, let's see how it performs in dilution ratio 1:10. In the case of most of detailing products like snow foams, this would be sort of recommended dilution ratio. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, in this case, the foam is as thick as it can be. Of course, the thicker the foam, doesn't mean that you will get better cleaning power, as mainly the cleaning power depends on a product that you use. So if you use pH neutral product, the cleaning power is not going to change at all. However, what that shows is when you have good quality snow foam gun, even with weaker power washers, you still can adjust the thickness of the foam to almost what you like. So let's compare the three foam guns from MJJC: Pro V2, Pro V3 and SV3. So when it comes to prices, this foam gun in Ireland is €100, this one is 90 and this one is 80. When it comes to the foam quality, they all perform really well. However, with those higher dilutions, yes, this foam gun wins. The Pro V3 version is made of stainless steel, so that's why it's more expensive, but also I imagine this one will be the most durable out of three of them. All the foam guns come as a standard with 1.25 of millimeter. Also, all of them, they have spare one which is 1.1, but the newest one additionally comes with 1.3. Also, this foamer comes with spare filters. For those, you have to buy them separately, where in this case, if the filter that is in the foam gun clogs up or sort of doesn't work anymore, you can just simply change it. Pro V3 and SV3, they come with quick attach bottle, where the old one, the Pro V2, has standard thread. These two foam cannons, Pro V2 and Pro V3, they have wide bottle, so of course they're more stable than SV3. What definitely separates SV3 from these two is the clear bottle. So in this case, you can clearly see how much solution in the foam cannon you have. Out of the trio foam guns, the only Pro V3 has the feature that you can attach bottle from your detailing products. When it comes to tank capacity, these two foamers, they take 1.2 liter of solution, SV3 takes 1 liter. So as you can see, they have slight difference in them. If you were looking for the best one, yes, I can point straight on the Pro V3 that this is the best snow foam gun out of three of them. However, some people might like clear bottle, like in this case. Some people might don't want to spend the budget of €100 on this one, so this would be a great solution for those. But to recap on those foam guns, whichever one you will pick from the shelf, I can simply justify the price of it. You're buying quality product that will last, it's made to last, they're durable, and of course they create savage foam. But I'm sure there is someone there who is gonna say, but you can buy €20 foam gun that will also do the job. Two biggest things that put me off from buying one of the cheap ones are, first of all, they use more solution for cleaning car than you would use from a good foamer. I remember when I was using those cheap foam guns, sometimes it happened that one bottle wasn't enough to finish one car. In the case of MJJC foam guns, there is always solution left over in the bottle. So even one of these bottles, it's more than enough for one car. So basically, yeah, you pay more for the good foam gun, but in long run, you're saving money on the solution. Of course, if you wash in your car once a month, it probably makes no sense to spend big money on decent foam gun. However, if you wash your car every week, or maybe you're a professional that uses foam gun a couple of times a week, then you will see the benefits of having proper one. And the second thing that you will definitely notice if you buy good quality foam gun compared to cheap one is that with weaker power washers, with one of these, the foam might not be a foam, might be just sort of milk. Where in the case of one of these, you're guaranteed the foam every time. And also another thing, with good quality foamers, you can actually buy spare parts for them. So if you break anything of it, you can just simply buy the spare parts. Where in the case of those, you just have to buy another gun straight away. So does it make sense to buy good quality foam gun or just buy cheap one? This is something that I'm not going to tell you because you know whether you need it daily or whether you need it sort of weekly or maybe a couple of times a year. If I was using only a couple of times a year, yeah, I go for cheap one because it makes no sense to spend money. But if you get good use out of your foamer, I would definitely recommend one of the MJJC ones. If you're interested in one of these foam guns, you can get it now a little bit cheaper, 20% off for the first week from when the video is published, and 10% after with the code MJJC. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe my channel so you won't miss other videos that I'm gonna publish in the next while, and see you on the next one.